Hello children. Today I am going to take literature class of class 3. So take out your book and I am going to teach you poem. Name is The Wind, which is been written by Elizabeth Randall. She is the author of this poem. So children, I will be teaching you the first paragraph. So follow me now. The Wind, written by Elizabeth Randall. Poetry is a very important part of a child's reading. Poems on kings and queens, fairies and giants, the earth, water, seasons, animals, etc. are for everyone to read and enjoy. The Wind is a poem about a child's reaction on the blowing of the wind. Now I will first read the poem and then I will explain you one by one. Why does the wind so want to be here in my little room with me? He has all the worlds to blow about. But just because I keep him out, he cannot be a moment still, but frets upon my window sill, and sometime bring a noisy rain to help him batter at the pane. See, rhyming words are there. Be, me, about, out, still, sill, rain, pain. So, in the first line it is given, why the child? So in the first sentence it's been said, why does the wind so want to be here in my little room with me? The child is asking that why does the wind wants to stay in his little room? He has all the world to blow about. The wind has the entire world to blow. It has entire space to blow. He has all the world to blow about. So why he is roaming around the child's little room? He is asking question. But just because I keep him out, he cannot be a moment still. Now the child is telling that he has kept the wind outside from his room. He is not allowing the wind to enter into his room, so the wind cannot remain still. He is becoming anxious to enter into the little room of the child, but frets upon my window sill. Now, frets, what does the word frets means? He is anxious. He is anxious upon my window sill. What do you mean by sill? Sill is a shelf along the bottom of the window, and sometimes bring a noisy rain. Who brings a noisy rain? The wind sometimes brings a noisy rain to help him batter at the pane. To help him batter. What does the word batter means? Batter means to hit hard over and over again at the pane. Pane means window pane. It means it's a single sheet of glass on a window or door. So what does this line means? This line means that the wind wants to hit over and over again on the window pane. Now come to the word meanings. What does the word frets means? Anxious or worries. Batter, hit hard over and over again. Pane, a single sheet of glass in a window or door. Sill is a shelf along the bottom of a window. I believe this video is helpful for you all in solving your assignment. Thank you.